If you want to grow your Instagram following, it's crucial to find the right keywords and topics that maximize your reach. Let me show you how. First, head over to SEMrush and use their keyword magic tool. Note, it's a paid tool, but I've included a special link in the description that gives you 7 days of free access. Simply open the link, start your free trial, and enter your email to begin. Now let's dive in. Imagine your Instagram page is about gardening. You would type gardening into the keyword magic tool. To make it more Instagram specific, enter instagram.com under the domain option. This pulls keyword data based on Instagram content. At first, you might see broad results like bush gardens, which aren't ideal. To refine, click on the questions filter. This shows specific searches like "what is my gardening zone?" or "how to start gardening," which are perfect for creating content that people are actively looking for. You can narrow it further by selecting categories like home, focusing only on home gardening topics. Explore deeper into areas like vegetable gardening for even more targeted ideas. Next, take a keyword or question, copy it and search it on Instagram to find related posts and competitors. Even if exact matches don't appear, use the broader keywords to brainstorm posts, videos, or hashtag ideas. Repeat this process to build a strong content list packed with searchable, relevant keywords for your niche. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.